Man, gotta stay locked in, you feel me? Gotta stay locked in. Oh my god, just when bruh. Yo, what up, Bacon? I'm not gonna lie, Bacon, I got some diarrhea today, dude, so I might have to go to the bathroom here already. Already gonna have to put the BRB on. Shit. The audio is all fucked up. Holy shit. Bacon, do you even code? Do you actually code, bro? Or do you just be watching the streams? Yo, bruh. I'm holding it in right now, bruh. Trying to get situated. Fuck. Holy shit! Oh! Yeah, I got a BRB, but I got everything set up, so we'll get right into it as soon as I get back, bruh. Holy balls! Oh shoot, dude. That's the music I needed to be playing while I was in there. God dang. You know what I'm saying? God dang, bruh. That was nuts. Actually crazy. Actually crazy. Whew. Whoa. Jeez Louise, bruh. Alright. Let's get to it. We're going to be doing some renaming. We're going to be doing some renaming here. Oh my god. Just some renaming. I don't even have this one in the list, bro. I don't even know which one that is. Sing song? What the? Whatever. It's not gonna matter. Oh, he's supposed to be a pineapple. Did I turn that to yellow? There we go. Alright, I don't have that one either. I'll just rename that to alligator. Alligator ball. I don't know. But wait, what? Fuck it, I'll just do teapot on this one. Trippy Troppy is kind of crazy. Is it this one? I can't tell. Doesn't matter though. Okay. At the weld. At the weld, the root part. Do they all have root parts? They don't. It seems that they have root parts if they have more than one part in it, so this is what I'm gonna do. Okay. Oh, folder, duh. Hmm. I'm gonna have to come up with a new function for the animations of these. I could honestly set this up here. I guess I'm just gonna do that. Because then I can just do this. And I don't need this. There we go. Can't fucking get out. Alright, well that didn't work at all. It only cloned one clone. Crazy. Crazy, it would only clone one. Interesting. Like, where are all the others? Hmm. Just to see. Alligator. Yeah, there's just not that many. Like, they're not all here yet. That's like the only issue. So that's fine, I guess. Oh my god, dude. Come on. Holy shit. Alright, but we got some spawning in. So that's fine. That's fine. We got some spawning in, so we can work with that until we get all the models. Like that works. Why is this guy's pivot has to be fucked up or something. Something here has to be fucked up because he's on top of the damn thing. So his pivot's probably fucked up. Alright. Let's go to our move. There we go. That fixes the orientation. Now, what we really should do, just to make it easy, honestly, is in the actor controller, I'm gonna put in a run service. And I'm gonna do basically I'm gonna steal some of my own code. Because that's honestly how I get these projects out fast, bro. It's just I have like crazy amounts of code that I go through and reuse, which is so fucking badass. Just need to find it. Just need to find it. It's grow grandma's hair. Cool project. Cool project. Cool project. Where is it though? It is the pet controller. And I believe it is right around here. Worship particles. Self dot pets per grow model. Pets per grow model key. Is this it? I don't think this is it, to be honest. Yeah, there's no raycast there. There it is. Here it is right here. There it is. Yep, this is it right here. Alright. Okay. Do they have primary parts? I don't even want to use primary part here, but it would just be easy to, if they're already set. They do have primary parts. I'll just use primary parts in that case. I feel like this won't error. Yeah, this won't error. Can't error. Alright. Model dot primary part dot position. New position. Here's what we're gonna do. Model, actually, ooh. I just had an idea. Would this be easy for me to do? Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Alright. I don't really need to do this right here, but I just like to have that, like, that blatant situation where if I read this over again, this math is gonna be handled first, even though that's already gonna be handled first because that's how the math works, but yeah. Okay. I feel like this is gonna work. I don't know, we'll see. I now need to set up raycast params. Okay. So it's clearly working, because or else that guy would like not be right at the floor, I think, because he was like a little bit up more, I believe. Oh shit. Oh shit. Fucking welds, bruh. I believe that's what's happening right now. It's just like something with the weld. Interesting. I don't like that. I'm gonna have to fix that. That's kind of really annoying. I wonder if I switch these, if I need to switch these welds. I don't think so, honestly. I can't really tell. Let me just try it. I don't know. I'm assuming it might have to be with the model, something with the model. But it just doesn't really make sense to me. We'll see, bro. We'll see, bro. Okay, so obviously, so now I know that it's not working, the stuff that I just set up. Oh, that's because it is working. Wait, no, it's not. Is it? I don't fucking know at this point. Either way, let's see if the welds are fucked up. Yeah, they still are. What the fuck is this? I'm gonna have to probably re-weld these, to be honest. Or is it that the weld... I don't know. Actually, no, that can't be it. That can't be it. That can't be it. No, that doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna put this back at this though. I feel like that is the right place. And then I also need to do workspace, wait for child, actor, parts. So at this point, since I'm doing this, I might just do this. I already have actor parts. What the fuck? What am I doing, man? Goofy, goofy, goofy. I hate working with welds, bro. Hate working with welds. Alright. Come on. Look at this. So it is, like, I mean, obviously something's working here, but this is absolutely ridiculous. Oh, it's an include, not an exclude. It's an include, not an exclude. Duh. So it's gonna... I didn't need to do that anyways. Alright, what? Then why are the welds acting funky, though, bruh? This is what I'm talking about. I think... honestly don't fucking know. I don't know why the welds are acting all fucking stupid. It's only the models that are doing it. Now that the models are in, it wants to act stupid. And these guys, their pivot has to be fucked up because this is crazy. Like, I'm gonna have to fix that. But see, that's normal. Okay. My keyboard's fucking up. Yeah, like, what is this stupid shit, bro? Alright. Let me try to figure out what is this. I really hate working with this shit, bro. Shit's actually annoying. I'm gonna, like, I'm just gonna remove the weld for now. I'm gonna remove the weld for now and see how it behaves, bro. I don't like this. I mean, because, like, if I'm already changing the position, like, I shouldn't need the weld. What is my keyboard doing, bro? It's only in studio my keyboard decides to, like, mess up. Oh, but now I'm gonna have to anchor them, I think. I'm gonna have to anchor the part. their root part. Yeah, I'm gonna have to anchor them. I was wanting to use welds, but they're acting funky. And I'm fairly certain they're not going to be acting funky if I just C-frame them instead of welding them. Which is fine. Like, it's not a bad thing. This guy's just idle? Is he supposed to be idle? Genuinely confused. No, he's not. Alright, cool. And it works. Alright, so that works. I mean, it's not like ideal, bro. Shit. Thanks, bro. I don't need any help though, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, what up, something good? Why am I not stripped in Roblox Studio? Because Studio isn't meant to be coded. Like, it's not meant for writing code. It wasn't designed for writing code. You ever gonna try One Piece C's game for a project? That would be so interesting to watch, not gonna lie. Probably not, bro. If I do an anime, well, I'm gonna do an anime eventually, but when I do an anime, it's not gonna be One Piece. What language is it? What? What are we talking about? What up, sinners? I am creating luck boost system, but I don't know. Are you using the free steal a game pack? No, I'm not. Eclipse, I'm not using any free models. But I don't know how to save time luck when player use super luck and normal luck save time. How to save time? I'm not sure what I'm not sure what you're asking. I'm not gonna lie. Really, I'm not sure what you're asking there. Alright, I just wanted to lock in, so I haven't been reading chats, but I resolved the issue, so I'll put up chat. Chat can be really distracting sometimes. Alright. Yeah, I mean, you would just save it like you would save any other piece of data at that point. Alright, so this is what we're working with right now, and as you can see, the orientation is a little bit fucking fucked. So, here's how we're gonna do that, right? But, it's now we don't have that stupid weld issue. And this is what we're gonna have to do. And there's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with doing it that way, but, you know. But this is just what we're gonna have to do, bro. So, yeah. Is what it is. So we're gonna do... Yo, what up, RZ? I'm good. How are you, bro? No, I didn't mean One Piece, really. Just like an anime game fighting bandits and bosses with basic combat ability sorts. I mean, when I make an anime game, I don't think I'm gonna do it how other games are doing it. I'm gonna like do something different that I'm wanting to try. But I'm not gonna make that game until I'm like fairly successful on the platform. Because that's more of a passion project, just a game I'd want to play. Be the first to make Gachi Akuda. Uh, I was thinking about it, but I don't really want to be honest. I mean, because a game like that would be super dope. Make trash monsters and fight those bosses and stuff. But little little tricky. A lot of work would go into making a game like that. A lot of work. And really a lot of work goes into any anime game, but I feel like that one specifically to make it good would just be a little bit more work than another anime game. But I'm not saying it's not worth making. I think it is. I just don't know if I would want to make that one specifically. Ooh, this is gonna be hard, bro. This is honestly getting to be ridiculous. I'm not gonna lie. Like there's no simple way to do what I'm doing right now. At least not that I know of because of welds. I wanted to weld and not have to worry about it ever again, but obviously I can't do that. The welds are acting super fucked and I just don't feel like trying to solve that issue. I know that I can get it to work like this. It's just that is this gonna be bad for performance or cause weird gameplay? I don't think so, so we're gonna do it. But being carried, so that makes more sense since I'm gonna use the ID. Either I get it. How long have you been coding on Roblox? Since I was born, it's kind of crazy. I've been coding like 4 years. 4 years. Um, and my progress has been really accelerated, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm also, at the same time, I'm somebody that I don't care about coding. Like, really, I enjoy it, but it's not something I care about, meaning like terminology, meaning knowing all the ins and outs intimately, like all that shit. I don't care about that. So, I feel like this is going to be weird behavior, but we'll see. I feel like at the same time, it's going to work fine, and I'm just being dramatic. I'm being a drama queen. Alright. So, here's what we're going to do. Here's what we're going to do. Alright. Okay. Trying to think, like, where I'm at with this. This right here is where I need to be. Server part is where I need to be. Oh shit. Alright, let's just hope for the best. Yeah, coding for fun too. I actually wanted to be a software engineer, but I kind of gave up on that. That's wild, bro. Well, I've been doing it for a job. The reason why I started coding was I knew that I could get a job quickly. I was confident that I could get a job quickly. And so I did. I got a job within the first year. And then I excelled at that. Dude, come on. Give me this banana panini, bro. Oh, shit. Look at this, bro. What is this? Position is not a valid member of humanoid root part. A typo, of course. A typo. Now the hard part, I'm not gonna lie, the hard part about this, because I just hate working with C-frames and angles, bro. The hard part about this is rotating the model so that it looks good. Desperate times call for desperate measures. Steal a game. It's not a steal a game though. Deadass. It may look like a steal a game at first glance, but it's actually not. Perfect. Fucking awesome. Works. It's just a little bit, like it wants to act a little bit weird, I feel like. But that's fine. Like, I really don't care. It's gonna look a little janky now. It's not gonna be perfect. This is just the first release, the first version of the game. If the game does well, we can obviously make it better. But we're in the business of doing games in a week. Why is the OMG? I'm going to flip my lid. These aren't lined up right now all of a sudden. Now it wants to be. What the fuck is that? Hold on a second. This is gonna make me flip my lid, bro. I'm not even kidding. I think it's because of this. I think it's because of this right here. I need to get the orientation. The orientation, bro. How am I gonna get the orientation of their target part of their target position? I really have no freaking idea. I mean, I could like could I just use part.orientation? I feel like that's a thing, no?